All right, so it's Tuesday night. I want to make a new pasta dish, something I haven't. So this will be a new recipe that I'm just going to actually make up, but it sounded really good. So we're going to have some linguine. These are just vegetables. We have broccoli, some peppers. I have some roasted garlic in here and some spinach. And we have this unexpected cheese that people have raved about at Trader Joe's. So I thought I would just, create it like a vegetarian pasta. And I'm just going to set a red sauce, just use some olive oil and garlic and add this cheese on top. So just a very simple meal. Probably have some salad with it. Alright guys, here it is, the pasta and the salad. Can't wait to eat it and review it for you guys. Alright guys, welcome back for another home cooking meal. Today I made some pasta. So basically, so I used it, I made this pasta because I wanted to try this unexpected cheese. It's basically like a Parmesan cheese. So I thought I want to try this new cheese on different foods and see how it is. It's a vegetarian pasta with like oil. I put some garlic in it as well. Some broccoli, see bell peppers, I think. So what else? Some spinach is in here as well. So, and then a salad, simple salad with ranch dressing. But wanted something healthy, so we have a veggie pasta, guys. Doesn't that look great? So yeah, with the cheese. I saw a picture. Somebody on Google, I was first searching this cheese, and they did try it with a vegetable fettuccine, and I go, that looks really good. I'm gonna try that. So that's where this idea came from. Not bad. Perfect. Healthy. Lighter. You're not having that red sauce. I think it's a little lighter. It's good. I think it needs a little more flavor. I did add some garlic in here as well. I haven't tasted the garlic yet. But yeah, it's like, wow. Oh yeah. I got some of that cheese that time. It's really good. That cheese. People are just like crazy about this unexpected cheese from Trader Joe's. Like how to try it, right? I'm gonna tell you guys, it's pretty good. But it reminds me of Kerrygo cheese. Kerrygo cheese, I think, is from Australia. I think, I'm not really sure. It just has that raw texture of the Kerrygo cheese, which I absolutely love. I do like Kerrygo cheese better than this one. This one's pretty good though. It's great for like pasta, maybe on a grilled cheese because it's Parmesan cheese, whatever I guess you put in Parmesan cheese, it's good. There's some garlic. I don't know if I would go out and get it now. Like, I don't know if it would be like that. But if you want to try a new Parmesan cheese, I still liked it. It's like really good actually. Yesterday I had a veggie burger with spinach and broccoli. That was really good. No, not sorry, it's not spinach. It was broccoli and a salad. I don't know if I want to have this for again for tomorrow. It's just like a lot of pasta. So, what's for dinner tomorrow night? Who knows? Maybe I should have added more cheese for like more of the cheese flavor. But I still like it. It's like a lighter dish. It's still good. Just want to try a new recipe today. Get some water. After this video, I want to read comments from my last video, which I already did in my last video, if that makes any sense. But after I read the comments, like later the next day, I got more comments on that video, so I wanted to shout out those people. And I did pin a comment that I really thought was really a very nice comment that I really wanted to like shout this person out. So after the end of the video, if you guys did comment on my last video, which was, I'm kind of recording these two videos back to back, so it's not the veggie burger one, it's the one before that. It's a prime rib dinner one. So I still have like, after this video I'm gonna have 3 mukbangs on my phone. So the problem with me is it's so easy for me to record videos, but it takes longer to edit. And one person said I should just not edit, but if I do a cooking video, I want to add that in there. I can't, it's just really hard to edit and not show the cooking process. So if it's a simple dinner, then I could probably just no edit. Like I think at the prime rib dinner, it was pretty much no editing on that video. While this was cooking, the pasta, I had extra pasta, and I added some Parmesan cheese in here, and that was it, just to taste it out, taste it out, what do you call it? It's actually really good. I like a lot of cheese flavor. I think it was kind of better than this version because it was basically cheese and pasta. I felt like that's what it was, but I think maybe more cheese would be better on here, even though I thought I did add a lot of cheese. But how are you guys doing today? Hope you're having a great day whenever you're watching this. My last veggie burger, I felt like the mic was a little bit too high and you could hear the eating stuff, like the eating chewing, and I'm not really sure if everybody likes that, so I turned it down a little bit. Just a tad, not a lot. Because I don't know, that kind of bugged me a little bit as well, but I don't know. I think someone did say they couldn't watch my video one time because I was eating too loud or the microphone was too high. But this week we have a few more storms coming in the Bay Area. A few subscribers reached out to me and asked me if I'm okay about the storm. So maybe it must be big news. I don't know. But guys, not looking good. They're saying floods, multiple floods throughout the whole Bay Area. They're saying restaurants are getting flooded, houses are getting flooded. They're saying people are gonna die. It's scary, guys. Like, I don't even know if this house is gonna be safe. I hope so, but if not, it's nice knowing you guys. Peace out. Just kidding. Yeah, but anyways, I'm not too worried about it. I mean, I am a little bit nervous about it. Let's go this way. I'm hoping everything will be good. Nothing too crazy. On the news, I saw freeways flooded. So if the freeways are flooded, I'm going to get to work. And Walmart has a very strict policy. 5 points, you're out. So hopefully that does not happen. So we'll see. I don't know if it's all California or just Bay Area. I didn't hear anything about LA area or Southern California, so I don't know if it's just like, or is it just worse in the Bay Area? I really don't know. But yeah, so we'll see. I'll keep you guys updated if I live or I die. But yeah, it's not bad pasta. Have you ever had pasta like this before? No red sauce, just olive oil. Okay. But when that cheese comes through, it's really good. With all that rain, I think it's gonna rain 2 weeks straight. With all this rain, probably not gonna go out too much. Because I don't like driving in the rain, especially on the freeway. I mean, of course I'll be going to work. I have to, unless my work tells me not to come. I'm sure they will tell me to come. But yeah. What kind of weather do you guys have right now? Is it raining right now? All right, guys, that was really good. I'm gonna get my laptop and I'm gonna read you the comments from my last video. All right, guys, we are at the Mukbang prime rib dinner. Even though I read the comments, well, basically, I'm just giving you guys a shout out, basically, real fast, because there's a lot of comments on here. But and I'll read the comment that I pinned. Maybe I could do that every week or every video if I get a good comment. But there's a lot. And also I've been noticing that this video has a lot more comments than normal. I don't know if it's because you guys wanted a shout out, because I did say if you comment I'll give you a shout out. I don't know if it's because it was a home cooking meal, because I know that you guys wanted more home cooking meals, or was it because of I dropped the wine glass? I don't know. But okay, we're gonna read. So right now I'm gonna give you guys a shout out again, because I feel like I gave you guys a shout last time, but I feel like I don't want anybody to get mad if I didn't read your comment, because if somebody commented the next day. So I don't know. All right, comment that Cheryl. Hey, okay. That girl Shaz. I had to shout her out. She comments on I think almost every single video. Thank you very much. That girl Shaz. Check her out. She has a YouTube channel. Damphead, thank you. Let's see. Nan, thank you. Ginger, thank you. Penny, thank you. Sandy Eats, thank you. Richard HAT. Thank you. Well, he says, looking forward to your home cooking meals. Thanks, Richard. So, I guess one person definitely wants to see home cooking. Luis Clemens, 9612, thank you. Italy, 847. Thank you. Tracy Kennedy, thank you. Joan Lightfoot, 5059, thank you. Apple Bomb, 4091, thank you. Naturalist Nest, thank you. Angela Campania, 7058, thank you again. AET 43088, thank you. Tiffany Dean, she did comment the day after. I did want to give her a shout out. She's been a long time supporter. Thank you, Tiffany. She also thought my lipstick looked good on me. That my mom gave me. Thank you. Kyla Bruck 2322. Thank you. Let's see. Dark Coven 666. Thank you. Jaren Garner 9488. Thank you. Tara Grew 9105. Thank you. I'm gonna read it. I'm gonna read a few comments because some of them are interesting. Tara says, "I don't need TikTok." Thank you. She thinks she's the only person that doesn't watch TikTok. But I know a lot of you guys do not watch TikTok. That girl Shaz commented like 4 or 5 times. Thank you so much. If you comment multiple times, that does help my videos on my channel. Thank you. Heather Mackley 330, thank you. Bangela Jam, thank you. HN8708, thank you. Mick something for 2012, thank you. And the last person I will shout out is Brandy Spider 5051. I pinned this comment because I really liked it. I love your videos. They relax me when I'm super stressed out in nursing school. You are just the sweetest and most down-to-earth YouTuber I've come across. That was really nice video. Keep being you, Karen. Praying you have an amazing 2023. That was just a nice comment. Thank you, Brandy, so much. It was just so nice of you to write that. It made me feel really good. So I pinned it. So if I might start pinning comments and shouting them out as well, but thank you guys for commenting. And yeah, it was a really good video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.